Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making burgers and fries casserole in a Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out with my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. I'm going to start by adding in some ground beef. I'm going to go for about 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. If there's any grease that cooks off of this, I'll drain that out of there. And it's like a 3-pound pack, guys, so I'm going to get that in there. And guys, it's going to be a really quick, really easy recipe that the kids will love for a weeknight meal when you have to work. I also have 1 large onion I diced. If we're going to get that in there, we're going to saute that in with the ground beef while we brown that. So after I get my ground beef all browned up, my onion sauteed, and I drain off the excess grease, if there is any, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, now that my ground beef is browned up and my onions are sauteed, and I went ahead and seasoned this with a little salt and pepper. I'm not going to drain this because there really isn't much grease in here to speak of. This is lean burger. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of flour. It's going to help thicken this up. And I'm just going to stir this and let this cook here on the saute setting for a minute. I'm going to stay with it. You just want to cook it for a few minutes just to get the flour taste out of the recipe. And it's starting to thicken up already. I can hear it frying. Now I have a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes in here. These are just regular. I'm going to add lemon juice and all. And I'm going to continue cooking this on saute high just for a few minutes to warm it through and let that tomato flavor get through the ground beef and onion. Alright guys, I turned my heat off. I allowed this cook just for a few minutes, heat everything through and blend the flavors. Now I'm going to even this out, smooth it out in there. And I'm going to add in some mild shredded cheddar cheese. I'm just going to put a healthy coating in here on top of the ground beef mixture. And this here will also not only season it and make it nice and cheesy, but it will help adhere those fries to the rest of our casserole that we put in here, because this is burger and fry casserole. Alright, that's looking good, guys. Now I have some crinkle cut frozen French fries here. This here is a 32 ounce bag. We're not going to use all of this. We're going to put about 2 cups in here. We just want to get a healthy coating on top of our cheese and ground beef. If you put too many on there, they're not going to crisp up good for you, and it's just going to be mushy. You don't want that. So you just want to spread them out. Make sure you get everybody covered in there. We'll put a little more in there. That's looking good there, guys. I don't want to overdo this. Okay, now I'm going to season my fries with a little more salt and pepper. And guys, if you're on a low sodium diet, feel free to leave the salt out. No pressure on that one. Okay, now I'm going to close my lid down, and I'm going to turn on the air crisp setting, and I'm going to just default it at 390. I'm going to give it 10 minutes at 390, and then I'll check it and see if my fries are crispy enough. If not, I'll give it a few more minutes. So when my 10 minutes are up, I'll have you guys back. Guys, I wound up letting my fries go for 12 minutes. You can see they're nice and golden brown, crispy. Now this recipe here, this was meant to be done in the oven. You brown your ground beef, flour, tomatoes, all that. You do that all in a skillet and transfer it into a baking dish with your cheese and your fries. 450 for 20 minutes so your fries are crispy. But I modified it for the Ninja Foodi. So if you don't have one, you can very easily do this in a standard oven. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. You can see how nice and golden brown my fries are. We have our cheesy beef in there. And I'm not eating a very big portion because I'm still not feeling 100% and my appetite still isn't up to par. That's really good, guys. You get the flavor from the beef, the cheesiness with the fries. It's sort of like a loaded baked potato. And as you can see, that really wasn't hard at all. Okay, there you have it. Burger and fries casserole in the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.